Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is the chatbot training data set for BitText. I've got a smaller goal. I wanted to parse Mary Wollstonecraft Shelley's Frankenstein into an expert model on an LLM. And I realized I needed to get this text into a CSV file. So what I did, and I will share this, I'll share this file with you in the description. And what it does is it allows you to choose the text file, and then it outputs the text as a single sentence. And I'll show you that single sentence here. You can see I'm on version 8. It took me 8 iterations to find the little things like this kind of punctuation where the quote marks actually should be separated from a sentence. I need to add that to the code, but I wanted to go ahead and share this now. You can see most of it is pretty good. The only problem, as I mentioned before, that I see now are punctuation with, right here, punctuation, question marks, exclamation marks, and periods that are followed by the quotation marks. Aside from that, this is now ready for pre-processing, which means I can pass this all to a CSV file and then begin labeling it. And you'll see that the labeling, where's the labeling? So here's the form of labeling using the hashtags. I'm not going to do that. Here's another form of labeling using effectively a CSV file, which is what I'm going to go for, whereby I have flags, instruction, category, intent, response. In this case, with my text, I will label it as, oh, look at that. I just found an error. Oh, no, that's poem. That's a poem. So I'll label this sentence, for example, as a description. This would be a description. This would be dialogue. You can see that some of it will be lost because the ending, the closing parenthesis or quotation mark is lost somewhere in here. I don't know where it is. Right here is another one, and I should add chapter breaks as well to make sure that doesn't get caught up in the parsing. But that being said, I now have 985 lines to begin building my large language model fine-tuned on Frankenstein in the works, and it's all due to this little handy piece of code written in Python, which is not perfect, but it's a pretty good start. I hope this has been useful for you. Please like and subscribe if this was interesting. I will be continuing this series going forward. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.